Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you a really fun macrame project called Crisscross Treasure Mesh. Let's get started. To make this pattern we will be using square knots. So we will use 4 ropes to make our square knot, and instead of using all 4 that are here together, we're only going to use these 3, and then we're going to use the string here on the next little grouping of 4. So we're just going to tuck it behind the other one and make a square knot as usual. So we'll take that string, cross it over the 2 in the middle to form a loop. The string on the other end goes over, behind the 2 in the middle, and then through the loop. We're going to pull that tight, and we're not going to push this all the way up top because we're going to want the little design it makes by keeping it below. So keep it a little below. And then we finish our square knot by taking the other side and crossing over, behind the 2 in the middle, through the loop, and pull it tight. And then to make our square knot here in the middle, we'll use this string that we left out previously, the 2 here in the middle, and then this little guy on the end, so he'll just tuck behind. And then we make a square knot as usual. So over, over, behind the 2 in the middle, through the loop, pull it tight. Try to keep it even with your other square knot. Just like that. Now we will make our square knot on the end using the remaining 4 ropes. Now let's make our second row. We will repeat the same pattern by using the 3 strings here and then including the neighboring rope. Remembering to keep a gap again. Now moving on to the next one, again we take these 3 here and we take the string over here, tuck it under, and then form our square knot. And there you go. This is our crisscrossed treasure mesh pattern. This is a really fun pattern that you can include in all kinds of macrame projects. One of my favorite ways to use this is as a curtain for your closet or just a wall hanging in general. You can even use this for plant hangers. So it's a really cool pattern to learn. and it's very easy too if you know how to make a square knot, which I'm sure you all do by now if you've been following along my videos. I hope you found this inspiring and helpful, and thank you for watching.